Hi guys, I'm Nabhan Zidan and my last number is 65. So today I'm gonna talk about airport ground handling. Aircraft ground handling defines the surfacing of an aircraft while it is on the ground and usually parked on the terminal gate of an airport. The major categories of ground handling service are described below. So the first one is cabin service, and then catering, and then room service, passenger service, and also the last one is field operation. So the first one is cabin service. The primary aim of the service offering is to ensure passenger comfort, while cabin cleaning comprises the bulk of the effort. It also includes tasks such as replenishing onboard consumables, for example, soap, tissues, toilet paper, reading materials, and washable items like pillows and blanket. Then the next one is catering. Catering includes the unloading of unused food and drink from the aircraft and the loading of fresh food and drink for passengers and crew. Airline meals are typically delivered in airline service trolley. Empty or trash filled trolley from the previous flight are replaced with fresh ones. Meals are prepared mostly on the ground in order to minimize the amount of preparation, apart from chilling or reheating required in the air. And then the next one is ramp service, guiding the aircraft into and out of the parking position by way of aircraft marshalling, towing with pushback tractors, and then lavatory drainage, water cartage, typically non-portable or for lavatory sink use, and then air conditioning, more common for smaller aircraft, air start unit for starting engines, luggage handling, usually by means of bed loaders and baggage carts. Gate checker luggage, often handled on the tarmac as passengers disembark. Air cargo handling, usually by means of cargo dollies and cargo loaders, and then catering trucks, refueling, which may be done with a refueling tanker truck or refueling pumper, and then ground power, so that engines need not be running to provide aircraft power on the ground. Passenger stairs, used instead of an aero bridge or air stairs. Some budget airlines use both to improve turnaround speed. Wheelchair lifts, if required. Hydraulic mules, unit that provide hydraulic power to an aircraft externally. And then there's also the icing. And then the next one is passenger service. This includes service inside the airport terminal, such as providing check-in, providing check-in counter service for the passengers departing on the customer airlines, providing gate arrival and departure service. The agents are required to meet a flight on arrival as well as provide departure service including boarding passengers, and closing the flight. And then there's also staffing the transfer counters, customer service counters, and airline lounges. And then there's also field operation, sorry. The service dispatches the aircraft, maintains communication with the rest of the airlines, operation at the airport, and with air traffic control. And then air traffic control. Air traffic control, or ATC, is a service provided by ground-based controllers who direct aircraft on the ground and through controlled airspace, and can provide advisory service to aircraft in non-controlled airspace. The primary purpose of ATC worldwide is to prevent collisions, organize and expedite the flow of traffic, and provide information and other support. For pilots, in some countries, ATC plays a security of defensive role or is operated by the military. So that's it that I can explain. So thank you guys for watching.